Good morning, children. Today, before we are going to tackle our new topic, I am going to show you a different example of a artwork. So, in the first picture, anong inyong notice? Very good, John Mark. It is made from a stone. Some more? Yes, very good, Tia. It is also using different tools para makakreate ng artwork. Anything else? Yes, nakabutang siya mismo sa table. How about a second picture? Very good, Jeff. It is made from a paper. Some more? Very good, Casey. It is a colorful artwork. Anything else? Rhea? Yes, it is a tree that is made from a paper. So the question is, do you have any idea what kind of artwork ang sa unang picture? Hmm? What about ang sa second picture? May wala kang mo idea kung ano yun ang artwork? Okay, so today we are going to tackle about the sculpture and 3D crafts. So before kita mag-proceed sa atong na topic, let's have our learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, the learners must be able to first identify the different types of materials and techniques used in sculpture and three-dimensional craft. Second, demonstrate patience, cooperation, and responsibility while working on a 3D craft. And the last one is to create a simple sculpture or a 3D craft using available materials such as clay or soap. So, sino kagina ang naghambal na ang first picture is an example of a sculpture? Very good, Casey. So the question is, what is sculpture? Sculpture is the creation of a three-dimensional objects by shaping or altering solid materials like stone, metal, clay, or wood. And these are the examples of a sculpture. It can be done using ice. Also, it can be done using stone and wood. And also, ari ang example sa mga sculpting tools na pwede natin gamiton. But take note, children, ang mga sculpting tools na ara sa screen is may aras ang mga sharp na edges. So instead of using this tool, we can also use ang mga plastic na mga tools like this, okay? Okay. Sino naman kagina ang nagka-answer na ang sa second picture is an example of a 3D craft? Very good, Pia. What is three-dimensional craft? Three-dimensional art is defined as art with all the dimensions of height, width, and depth. Unlike 2D art, it occupies greater physical space and can be viewed and interpreted from all sides and angles. So these are the example of a 3D craft. It can be done using paper. And also sa first picture, anong inyong notice? Yes, it is a paper na gitobra sa shapes. And sa second picture naman, nag-use sila sa cardboard. And sa third picture naman, it is a decorative artwork na nag-represent man sa three-dimensional craft. Now, I have here a house. I sculpted this house at home. Pero, ang house na ginsculpt ni ma'am is missing. So, missing ang house na ginsculpt ni ma'am Sam. What do you think ang missing sa house? Very good, Freya. Missing siya sa door and window. So, para magkaroon siniya sang window and door, sinong gusto nga mag-volunteer para magbutang sang window kag door sa house na ginsculpt ni ma'am? Okay, Jeffrey, please. Okay, very good. Thank you, Jeffrey. You can now take your seat. And now, this is the finished artwork. So, ang house na ginscout ni Ma'am kanina, missing sang door kag windows, pero nag-volunteer si Jeffrey para butangan siya sang doors and windows, mas naging realistic na ang house kay may ara na siya, ga-contain na siya sang door, windows. So, for your group activity, you are going to sculpt a 3D building using clay, shape, form, and assemble the clay to build your chosen structure. So you have to make sure your building stands on its own and shows basic details such as walls, windows, or any design you want to include. So I am going to group you into two groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. So, para mas mahapos ang inyong nga pag-progress sa inyong nga group work, mas better if himuon ninyo ang chair nyo sa circle nga form para it is easier to communicate and it is easier to cooperate sa pag-progress sa group work. Understood? Okay, so I'll just give you 5 minutes to do your group activity and after that, after class, ipasa ninyo na kay ma'am ha? Okay. Is everyone done doing their activity? Okay, thank you, students. Now, for your individual activity, you have to sculpt a three-dimensional craft from a bar of soap using basic geometric shapes such as cubes, spheres, holes, or cylinders. And you have to make sure your design is neat, well-defined, and clearly shows the geometric forms you use. And I'll just give you 3 minutes to do that, ha? And I want everyone to do their artwork silently. Pero kay maubra ka mo sang magamit ka mo sang soap and you also need to sculpt it, I'll just instead of 3 minutes, I'll just give you 10 minutes to do your artwork. Pero in one condition, you have to do it silently. Understand? Okay, you can now start. Is everyone done doing their artwork? Very good, children. Kay tanan tapos na sa ubras ang ilang artwork, I am going to give your assignment. So for your assignment, you have to take out your assignment notebook and copy your assignment. So in your assignment, you have to sculpt a three-dimensional model of a house using clay and geometric shapes, such as cubes, rectangular prisms, cones, or cylinders. And you have to make sure that the shapes are clearly shown and the finished model is neat and well constructed. Are you done copying your assignment? Okay. So, I want everyone to stand up and you have to pick up pieces of paper and arrange your chair. Okay. Goodbye, children. Thank you for listening.